Hello my people, hope you're doing okay. Welcome to Her Name is World. Welcome to that channel that inspires you to do business in agriculture, guys. If you're interested in farming lifestyle videos, please consider to subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you when I upload more video, guys. It's very early in the morning. The sun is shining. The sun is sunning, guys. So it's very early. It's a very early Sunday morning, and every day this is what I wake up to do, to supervise this project. Every day, every morning when I'm at the farm, I supervise the projects. Now I've woken up. I want to take this multivitamin. This is multivitamin. We are going to give it to our hens. Yes, guys, very early in the morning you must supervise your projects. So behind here, as I told you, here this is the exercising area of our turkey project. You see, this is where our turkey project has taken its course. The cow house is there behind, and this is the exercising area. Rafael, ninaddagala vitamins ogenda ziteeka mu mazzi nnaku 3. Ag'enkoko teekamu ennaku 3, then kijiiko kimu mu kidomola kya lita 2. Bulungi basuze otya naye oluddewo saawa zino singa tulonda magi tugenda kikolera ki? Omwana wamufunye nnaku 2 ayoka ajje. Okay, Kale. Yes, guys. So one of my workers, the mother got sick and he went away. So I only have one worker in charge of all these animals, guys. So that means we have a lot of work to do. Early in the morning, Uncle Kowa wakes up to wash those drinkers for the ducks and the turkey and the local hens. And I always also help out. After I'm from this section, I go and help out. So these are the cows. Today they have not gone to the field because they are awaiting for spraying. Sunday morning is always for spraying. So we are going to spray them, then we put them in another herd and they will go to the field because we don't have another worker. This is how we are compromising, guys. Stop being desperate as you are looking for someone to help you work, guys. In most cases, that is when farmers make mistakes. These are my sheep. As always, you see, I tell people sheep are so messy. Look at their pen, guys. So they also a lot. They are so messy. They are like cows. So when you put them in the same crowd with the goats, they are likely to spread infections with the goats. So they are also in their exercising area. They love exercising areas, guys. Those ones that want that white breed of he sheep of a back, we have, but they are still young. We are going to separate them. We don't want to castrate them. So tada, this is our goat section, guys. The sun hasn't yet come and they are very, very what? Very dull. This is how they are in the morning when the sun has not yet come. That brown goat you see there, this one, produced yesterday, and we've not yet seen the kid. The kid was left. The kid was left in the field. So my morning routine after I have supervised. Supervising means what? I come and guys, this is a random video. I come, then I see each and every animal. So you have to note and see you look at each and every animal to see whether there is a problem. Do you have any diarrhea? Do you have any off disease? Do you have anything abnormal with a goat. So you just spend some minutes here and just watch these goats one by one. At least you eye one by one and see if there is a problem. Now, if there is any problem, you get the medicine, then we'll try to treat the problem, guys. Even the sheep, I do the same thing. You eye it and you see if there is any problem. Right now, I'm in a hurry. I want to try to go and help out this kid. Even to the cows, I do the same thing, guys. So if you have this routine, it is most likely that you will detect diseases before they become worse. We are having an eye problem with the cows. It is the season of them getting sick. With the eyes are bringing what? Tears. So we treat it with some powder in it. Somebody else here put oxtay, they put a pen strip in the eyes, but I don't concur with that. So after that, I'm going to my poultry section, guys. It's far away from the goat section, so that will prevent diseases, guys. That crying. I think any time from now I'm having eggs from the one seeing things. Time for feeding. Ha! Rafael, we always cover. Kaya natufuna you checking that whatever. Oh, it's crying, guys. Look at the time we are getting eggs, guys. They are coming to 19 weeks. Rafael, kabala kwa muchibikiro. Temuri. It's okay about Temuri. So we are having breakfast. So one problem I have, this man has not yet mastered giving these hens feeds early morning. They're supposed to feed at around 5, but now it's like 7 and he's just feeding them. The problem is he's having a lot of work, and I don't want many people to enter this chain. We shall improve with time. So those are the hens feeding. You see, guys, biosecurity, I don't always enter inside, but I always come and study from here. And I see what type of poop are they pooping. Are they really okay? Is there anyone else fighting for food? This is the duck section and the turkey section right now. So the turkeys are here with the ducks. Then we shall separate them later on. Early morning, Uncle Koa has finished washing and sweeping this duck section, guys. Cleanliness at the farm, even the ducks clean them. Most people, if they have such a section, they'll keep on putting feeding, and even putting grass, without sweeping their pens, guys. We sweep everywhere. So you see, he's preparing water. He has finished cleaning, like washing those drinkers and the feeders. You see how clean they are. So right now he's putting water and he has put the feeds. Those are the feeds. And others are the other side for the other small ones. So there are small ducks in that duck room, like a small room. He has brought the feeder for the small ducklings and the young ducklings. For the young ducklings, so he's trying to. Obumero obusigalidde obuteeka muziri enkulu then oba what naye ofunamu obutinitini tola nti obuberenge tebabulya. So this is where they sleep. We are going to open it for them. So these are the small ducklings I'm talking about. They are so messy. We must change these coffee husks. They are there. There are 10 of them. So we are also going to feed them, give them water, and these are the local hens. The local hens, this is how we are rearing them. I gave out like 10 of them, so there are remaining 7, these ones. So we brood them from here. So when they grow up, we shall take them out. Yes. Buno genda butera mukudira eddagala ly'oli omusajja. Liri erya habbu mu mazzi bunyweko. So, others are there. Other small chicks for the local hens are there. So we are going to feed them. Then their local hen project is up, and the rabbits this early morning. Mbagulire bano. What on Kankulindo bagulire oba. Okay, kale. Kati soko guleo. So, time for them having lunch. No, not lunch, breakfast. Ah, there they come. The ducks and the turkeys. So, time for breakfast. Then later on in the evening, we shall get some grass, green grass. This is their breakfast. We shall have to separate these turkeys from the ducks. This has to be only the duck section, guys. So I want these small little ducks to go and eat from there. Let me try to chase them to go and eat from here. They are so stupid. Those ones are little ducks. They cannot really fight with the older ones. So what we try to do is to put their feeds here. But getting them to eat is also another tug of war. This is another chick project for the local hens. So we reset, and this is how we are rearing the local hens. Those ones, you see, that age, we separated that age, and these ones are the younger ones here. And the other ones are the older ones I showed you. So we keep them, we keep them in this box. So early morning we just come and we remove them like this and put them inside here to feed. Awo mose we mugenda amazzi naawe. Wawerabi. Ago ga buto. These ones are the young ones, so they sleep here in this rabbit cage all together, and we put this beside for heating. So these young ones are feeding from here. So time for feeding and taking some water. Time for feeding. So we are removing them from the box and putting them inside. When they grow the wings, we shall keep them inside there. It's a matter of putting like buveras around to limit the air from entering. Then we leave them inside this cage when they grow up, when they put on their wings. So right now, they still want that warmth. That's why we make them sleep in the box. Hey.